Myntri katnat sports uba Wailadmiki Syllad ulapun pau ka Sngewhun ha ka bayade bat ka jingya shakmat ha ka jingpynkhreh jongki Sngewhun ye kai na ka benta ka national games arjar apnyo da ka baong ka jingpynkhreh eki Sngewhun ye kai ka long ka bayat bai renti ki babon ki association kila pendan kam ya ka song jingarap pisa banthong ye ki coach bat banthit ya ki tiar kitar ka Sorkar kala pyllait lai penriu klur tingka hakawat ka beningkong na ka benta ka jingpynkhreh jongki Sngewhun ye kai bat la kami lenti baki association kin pendan kam hok yaka lada ki dang don kam shushu klem arta tien ngin ajing kersaneki ong uba Wailad Myntri ula kedau ya ka jingla banyele kai bha ha ka jinga kop siat khnam ne archery da ka jinga khorha du shispa sapho tli ki takma lingba ke shispa san pho tli ki jinga kom ka bapen iya ka dak jong ka jingnang kiu shaprang ngidon ya ka jingkermen ka bakrau bat ki association kila trishitom banwan ra takma ha ki jinga ko bapher ula benram uba Wailad ula ai ka jinga ro e ki association ki balapendan kam ya ka jinga rap pisa ban penya so e ki riu shampang ki coach bat ki tiar kitar ki balalam sha ka jinga khur takma ha ki lumpung jinga kop hapo kari ha ka bayade bat ki jingte ki madan ya kai uba Wailad ula ong baya ki project bapher on la ban pendap hala ki jong ki por ha ka bagi babon lakmi lenti ba on la ban pendap hapo jong ubanai no pra Ginlong ki balapan khreh pura haswaban sedang kan ke lumpung national games ula penthikna ha ka bayade bat ki jakasa Myntri ula ong baki dang penstory ki homestay bat ki hotel bat kamdan ka no jingtmu banshna ya ki games village ngila ban penbiang ya baro ki nongele kai tang ha ki jaka ki baladan lupa benrap uba Wailad
Here also we have not organized Meghalaya games because we are like in the preparation for national game, because national game is a very big thing for us. So that's why we want to put our focus on this, our whole focus on the national games. As of now, because we are still in the we have reviewing, especially with the presence of hotels and homestay. Because our main focus is that if we don't want us to understand that if we build this game village, it is just for a temporary arrangement. So that's why we are pushing and we are encouraging people to come up with the the homestay and hotels, because there are still requirements. But as of now, as per the review meeting and as per the data we are getting, it seems that we won't be needing any game village. We'll be able to accommodate all our athletes in the present accommodation which we are having. For that we have not decided. We are still in the. That's why I said that we have not. It won't be 39. So we are still in the negotiation that we have to discuss this with IOA. We have planned from the beginning to be used for national game. There are some infrastructure which no doubt the construction has started, but which are not meant for national game. For instance, for example, like the Myntri football stadium, that is not for the national games. Actually, last time after we had the meeting, so all the other states has chosen except Assam. It seems because of the election, so that's why they are unable to choose. But we are hopeful that after the election, they will choose which game they gonna host. But as of now, we are almost on the finalization stage that most of the state have chosen what discipline they will be hosting. We have moved, as you have just seen in the news also, that our honorable chief minister has approached the central government. So no doubt we have put some of our requests. So it's up to them. We are the host. We have signed the host city contract, and we will be participating in all the events. It's going well. And just last week also I have taken the review meeting. There are many of the association have come forward, have taken the money, and they have recruit coaches. They have bought the equipment. The preparation is going well. There are some issues with few association, and then for them also we are taking review meetings. Already released, if you remember, in last year we already released around 36 crore in the first phase. So that then we are still awaiting. It's up to them how they will use it. If they need more, then definitely will support them. Definitely, like I already mentioned before, also that we could see that that now because of this team preparation, now the most of the team are doing very well. For like archery, for instance, I think out of I don't know the exact number, but if I'm not wrong, around out of 150 medals, they have won around 40 medals. So that itself shows that there is improvement. Like last time, I already brief also that there are there are different timeline for different infrastructure. So there are infrastructure we are going to complete by March. For example, like this JN complex, and then there are which are going to be completed by June, by like that indoor hall by adjacent to the JN complex, and there are infrastructure which are going to completed by November. That is the in Sauli, that aquatic stadium and all. So there are different timeline for different project, but we will be completing all the infrastructure before the start of the national games. Most probably by December everything will be ready. As of now we are still debating on it, but as of now we have finalized 39 discipline. It's what we have high hope. And as you know that I'm very happy to inform to you all also that after we have given the financial assistance to all the association for to call for their preparation, for the team preparation, then they have called the expert, the technical person, the coaches, and then they have bought the equipments and all. So we are so happy to see that in this this national event they participate, then many of them have won medals. So we have high hope that I think many of their discipline they will bring medals. Now I cannot share it it's like I already mentioned in the past few weeks that it is too early for me to say, because as you know that this national game is not only of sports department. This is the correlated with other department. So we are still awaiting from just recently also we had a meeting where we have to sit with PWD department, urban affairs department, health department, and other department. So from them also there are requirements to be we need to get. Then only we'll be able to see the overall budget of the national games.